What's up guys, Mr. Jailbreaker here, and in this video I'll show you my top 5 Cydia tweaks for iOS 8.1.3, iOS 8.3 and iOS 8.4. Of course, to do this you will need to be jailbroken, and if you are not, I will include the link in the description that will show you how to jailbreak your iDevice. Let's begin. The first thing I'd like to show you would be iCleaner. What this basically does is cleans up all the unused data and space on your iDevice and cleans it all up by deleting it. This requires a reboot after every cleanup, and this is worth it because let's say you're running iOS 8 on a 16 gig device, and since iOS 8 requires around 4 gigs for its working, and this is very awful, and every time you download the app and delete it, this will save some files behind the app which will not be deleted automatically. So what this basically does is delete it all up. As you see guys, when I switch from page to page, I have this little animation. This is because of Barrel. This is a paid tweak at Cydia, but you can get it off repos such as Insanely or Hack Your iPhone. So you just basically go into it and select what you want. I am on icon collection at the moment, and I would like, let's say, curl and roll away alternative. So you just select, go back and exit Barrel, and you will see that my animation from next page to this page changed into curl and roll away. The next tweak I'd like to show you would be status HUD2. Let's say you're watching a video on YouTube and you do not like this little thing that comes on top of the middle of your screen when you're increasing the volume and decreasing the volume. What this basically does is just takes that notification to takes that volume notification just right in the middle of the top screen. So as you see, I just increase and decrease the volume, but it will not show in the middle, but it will show on the up. The next thing I'll show you is called Time Passcode Pro. What this does is changes your current time into your passcode. So as you see, my time is 4:35. And when I unlock it and go into it, I will have when I write 0435, it will accept it. It is a very cool tweak, and if you have to keep on changing because your passcode because someone finds out, this is a very awesome tweak. Now next thing I'll show you is Full Force. What Full Force does is runs iPhone apps full screen on iPad. So let's say I disable layer line and I go back into line. You see that it is an iPhone mode, and this is very annoying. So Full Force is basically for apps like this. When I just exit out of line, when I just exit and go back into settings, back into Full Force, I will enable line. And remember that if you enable a app and it's open in the background, just close it and go back into the app. When I open up line, you will see that I am running it on full screen and in high quality. This will not make problems such as the corner is cut or the screen is split it in half. This will run fully in one screen and properly. The next thing I'd like to show you sorry about that. The next thing I'd like to show you would be Eclipse 2. If you're sleeping in the midnight and you need to do something on your iDevice, like let's say change some settings or anything, this will work very perfect for you in working in night mode. I will show a video upon this later on, but as you see, when I open back settings, you will see that it runs in night mode and everything is dark, and this will not cut my sleep. This is a very cool tweak